Good evening, dear learners. Myself Neeraj Verma again in front of you with the YouTube video part number 3, spelling test part 3. So, as learners, I have promised you that I will come very soon in front of you with the part 3 spelling test again. So, I hope all of you are liking my videos and gaining a lot of knowledge. So dear learners, as you can see here, you can gain a lot of more knowledge also offline, even with the help of your social media. I'm having a Facebook page at Verma Tutorials 12 and YouTube link. If already you have subscribed, then you will definitely get the notification as soon as I will upload the videos. If not, then definitely subscribe my channel for more grammar and other academic videos. So dear learners, without wasting our time, let's start today's part 3 spelling test. So I hope all of you will try to comment your spelling power and spelling check so that I may check whether you are correct in typing your right spellings or not. So dear learners, today we will do 20 spellings in the part 3 spell check video. So today's first word is adolescent. First word is adolescent. You have to comment your answers in the comment box downside, and I will be very happy to check your answers. Second word is archaeology. Second word is archaeology. Third word is battalion. Third word is battalion. Fourth word is bureau. Fourth word is bureau. Fifth word is cassette. Fifth word is cassette. Sixth word is colleague. Sixth word is colleague. Seventh one is diarrhea, kind of disease. Seventh word is diarrhea. Eighth one is debut. Eighth word is debut. Ninth word is etiquette. Ninth word is etiquette. Tenth word is enormous. Tenth word is enormous, means big. 11th word is February. 11th word is February. 12th word is fatigue. थकावट, in Hindi call it थकावट, tiredness, fatigue. 13th word is guarantee. 13th word is guarantee. 14th word is headache, सिर दर्द जिसे आप बोलते हैं. 14th word is headache. 15th word is lieutenant. 15th word is lieutenant. 16th word is parachute. 16th word is parachute. 17th word is very common. 17th word, especially in this lockdown period, you might have heard this word. The word is quarantine. The word is quarantine. 18th word is restaurant. 18th word is restaurant. 19th word is villain. 19th word is villain. 20th, last word, today's part 3 spelling test is separate. 20th word is separate. So dear learners, I hope all of you will try to keep commenting on these particular words so that I may check your spellings, and keep commenting what kind of grammar topics you want furthermore to understand, so that I may prepare more videos for all of you. And till then, stay safe and stay happy. Take care. Goodbye.